If you know these 36 words, your English might already be excellent. And no, I'm not talking about difficult dictionary words that nobody uses. I'm talking about powerful English words that native speakers use every single day in conversations, movies, interviews, social media, and real life. The crazy part? Most English learners understand these words, but they never actually use them naturally. So today we're fixing that. By the end of this video, you'll sound more fluent, more confident, and much smarter in English conversations. And here's your challenge. Count how many words you already know. If you know most of them, congratulations. Your English level is already stronger than you think. So grab a notebook, stay till the end, and let's begin. First word, confident. This means believing in yourself. Example, she speaks English confidently. Simple word, but powerful, because confidence changes everything. A person with average English and high confidence sounds better than someone with perfect grammar and fear. That's a fact. Next word, improve, meaning to become better. I want to improve my English. And honestly, if you're watching videos like this every day, you're already improving faster than millions of people. Now listen to this word carefully. Opportunity. This means a chance to do something good. Learning English gives you more opportunities. Think about that for a second. Better jobs, better communication, more confidence, more connections around the world. That's why English matters so much today. Next, achieve, meaning to successfully reach a goal. You can achieve anything with practice. Notice something? Native speakers love positive words like achieve, improve, confidence, success. These words instantly make your English sound smarter. Now, this one is extremely important. Focus, meaning pay attention carefully. Focus on speaking, not perfection. And remember this line, perfection is slow, practice is fast. Most learners waste years trying to sound perfect, but fluent speakers, they simply practice more. Next word, habit, meaning something you do regularly. Watching English videos daily is a good habit. And yes, even 15 minutes every day can completely change your English over time. Now let's level up. These next words describe emotions and feelings, and native speakers use them constantly. First, motivated, meaning excited to do something. I feel motivated after watching this video. Hopefully that's true. Next, frustrated, meaning upset because something feels difficult. Many students feel frustrated while learning English. And honestly, that feeling is normal. Every fluent speaker once struggled too. Every single one. Now this beautiful word, inspired, meaning filled with ideas or energy. Her success story inspired me. Sometimes one video, one teacher, or one conversation can completely change your future. Next, nervous, meaning worried or scared. I get nervous before speaking English. Quick truth, even native speakers get nervous sometimes. Confidence doesn't mean no fear. It means speaking anyway. That's powerful. Next word, excited, meaning very happy and energetic. I'm excited to improve my communication skills. And now this emotional word, proud, meaning feeling happy about yourself. Your family will feel proud when you speak fluent English. Imagine that moment. Someone asks you a question in English, and suddenly you answer naturally and confidently. That feeling, unforgettable. Now let's move into communication words. These are essential if you want to sound natural in English conversations. First, communicate, meaning share ideas or feelings. English helps you communicate globally. Next, express, meaning show thoughts or emotions clearly. Try to express your ideas confidently. Then, conversation, meaning a talk between people. Daily conversation practice is important. Here's a secret most learners ignore. You do not learn speaking by only studying grammar. You learn speaking by speaking. Big difference. Next word, listen. Listen carefully to native speakers. Listening improves pronunciation automatically. That's why movies, podcasts, and YouTube videos are so powerful. Now, this difficult but important word, pronunciation, meaning the way words sound. Your pronunciation improves with practice. And listen carefully. Fluency is not speaking fast. A lot of learners think fast English, fluent English. Wrong. Fluency means speaking comfortably and clearly. That's real fluency. Now, this superstar word, fluent. She speaks fluent English. And yes, you can become fluent too. Not overnight, but definitely over time. Now we move into success and mindset words. These words make your English sound mature and intelligent. First, discipline, meaning controlling yourself consistently. Discipline is more important than motivation. Powerful line. Motivation starts you. Discipline changes you. That's true for English and life. Next word, consistent, meaning doing something regularly. Be consistent with your English practice. Even small daily practice creates huge results. Now, challenge, meaning something difficult. Speaking English daily is a challenge, but challenges create growth. Comfort creates nothing. Next, success. Success takes time. And this important word, failure, meaning not succeeding. Failure teaches valuable lessons. Please remember this. Making mistakes in English is not embarrassing. Staying silent forever is worse. Speak more. Fear less. Now, confidence. Confidence changes the way you speak. And honestly, would people remember confidence more than grammar? Quick challenge for you. How many words do you already know? 10, 20, 30? Comment your number below. And if this video is helping you, hit the like button because it really supports the channel. Now let's continue. Creative, meaning full of ideas. She is very creative. Next, positive, meaning optimistic and hopeful. Stay positive during your learning journey. Then, negative, meaning pessimistic. Negative thinking slows progress. Your mindset affects your English more than you think. If you constantly say, my English is bad, your brain starts believing it. Instead, say, my English is improving every day. That changes everything. Next word, productive. Wake up early for a productive day. Now, independent, meaning able to do things alone. English makes you more independent. And this important word, responsible, meaning reliable and mature. Responsible students practice daily? Okay, final round. These last words are powerful and advanced. First, environment. A positive environment helps learning. Then, experience. Speaking with foreigners is a great experience. Next, knowledge. Books increase your knowledge. Then, develop. You can develop fluency slowly. And now, effective, meaning working very well. This method is very effective. And finally, extraordinary, meaning amazing and unusual. Your future can become extraordinary. Think about that word for a second. Extraordinary. Your future can truly become extraordinary if you keep learning consistently. New opportunities, new confidence, new people, maybe even a completely different life. That's the power of English. Now, quickly remember some superstar words from today. Confident, opportunity. Inspired, fluent, discipline, success, productive, effective, extraordinary. If these words feel natural to you, congratulations. Your English is already becoming excellent. And remember this carefully. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You only need courage, consistency, and practice. Every fluent speaker you admire today was once a beginner too. Never forget that. If you enjoyed this video and want more lessons to improve your English, build confidence, learn powerful vocabulary, and speak naturally, then subscribe right now and join our English learning family. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And before you go, comment below. My favorite word was need. I read every comment. See you in the next video.